I've felt empowered by all the ladies here on the course. I've felt that I'm going to go away with lots of ideas. I felt inspired.
I feel like I've grown so much as a person.
Amazing experience, wow factors every single day.
Really nourishing, really enriching.
I now feel a completely different person.
It's just been a phenomenal week here. The learning and the experience and the whole energy of everybody in this course has taken me to a place which is so much different from where it was when I joined.
You know, so many techniques, learning hypnosis, heart integration, and doing the inner child and gestalt work was really, really powerful.
My favourite part was the 6-step reframe yesterday. I found it a really powerful technique.
What I find particularly wonderful is that we can really combine sort of the science and literature of everything, like the really serious stuff, with the energy-based stuff.
I can't say enough. It's been brilliant. Absolutely wonderful.
There is a massive transformation. I have learned so much while becoming now officially a master. I feel blessed, I feel humble, and I feel proud. Thank you.